What's up, guys? Thank you guys so much for tuning back to the channel. In today's video, as you guys can see, the Mustang is not here. We have to go on a rescue mission. So, should be interesting. Let's go do it.
I got crazy thoughts that stay on my mind. I promise I'm fine. I'm doing alright. And I'm back again.
If you guys watched the last episode, you guys know that the Mustang, we got it running, we got it driving, we took it on a test drive, and it died. We broke down. So the alternator went out, which in the grand scheme of things is kind of nice. It didn't blow up yet, but it's still stuck over at the field. So we need to get some tools together. I've got a new alternator, hopefully fits. If not, we're in trouble. And we're gonna go see if we can get this thing running and driving again. So we get some tools, a few things together, take the old Jeep, and maybe go save her. I don't know. Well, guys, we do need some keys. Don't lose sight, guys. All right, well, we got keys, we got camera bag, we got radio, we got the new alternator right here. Definitely need this jacket, it's freezing. Why are you barking? Stop barking so much. I know. It's rough life. We have about a 10-minute drive over to go get the Mustang, and hopefully we can fix it. But yeah, let's get on the road. And I hope this fixes it. I'm a little nervous. This is gonna be interesting. Come on, people. And there she is. So sad. Sorry guys, it's a little windy outside, but would you like staying somewhere else tonight? You wanna move today? Well, we got our DeWalt tools. Again, DeWalt, hit me up with a sponsorship. So guys, we got this thing running. It's running fine, but this guy right here is our problem. And I'm hoping the one I got is the right size. Let's get the thing out. And it looks like it's the right one. Let's hold it up real quick. Guys, it looks like it's the same size. We're gonna go ahead and start taking that thing apart and hopefully put this new one on, but it's freezing outside. Yeah, let me just get to work here. I'll put you guys on time lapse so you guys will see. All right, start that, transferring over. Mercedes. Guys, basically for this, we gotta take these couple bolts out, take the fan belt off, and this stud right here is a pain, and then just take it off the back.
I'm lost, but I can't be found. Locked and loaded, but I ain't got no rounds. Tell me, how do I look? How do I sound? Different place, different ground.
Get out of here.
I'm nervous, shaking, contemplating what am I thinking?
Look at them, they look exactly the same. It's a little bit different.
I promise that I'm always gonna say it. I always knew that my love for music would take me places. I put the brown bottle to my lips now. Yeah, I'ma drink this shit until I pass out. And this is shit I promise that I never touch. But this brown cup, I just can't get enough. And if this all goes well, now what will happen to me? And if my life goes black, will they pretend they...
Okay guys, we got the alternator in. Everything's good. New belt is on. It fits a whole lot better than the other one. No more slack, and it's more adjustable now, so that's nice. I'm gonna button everything up. We're gonna clean up, put the old alternator in the box, put the tools away. I don't know, I'm nervous. We'll see. I'm gonna go ahead and try to fire it up. Hopefully the battery has enough juice still to fire it up. I think it does, but we'll see. It's a new battery, but it also was dead yesterday, so we'll see. Hopefully if we can get started, it can charge up. But let's try and fire it up.
Three days later.
Hey guys, so it is actually a couple days later. I finally figured out what was wrong with the Mustang. It was a combination of things, and I fixed it all. It kind of took for a little while to figure it out, but let me show you exactly what was wrong, what we did to fix it, and ignore where we are right now. This, I'll explain later, but not right now. So the alternator did not fix the problem. I really got to looking, and I looked at the old harness for it, and it was completely fried for the alternator. somewhere something crossed pads. Could have been my fault, I don't know. But that harness fried. So what we did, we went ahead and rewired the entire alternator. Everything's brand new. Ran it through the new loom to here, redid the connections to the voltage meter, connected everything back up. Got it as clean as we can get it. So now, new alternator. This is not the one before. This is a different one. The other one's AC Delco. This is a Remy high performance alternator. And we have everything grounded. All the wires are running right. And we have a new belt. So this setup should do phenomenally better than before. And I've ran a couple times. We haven't had any more issues, but we're gonna go ahead and try to drive this thing home and we'll see what happens. So we fixed that, hopefully, pinkies, fingers crossed, whatever. Hopefully we can continue to have some good luck because we have some big plans for this car. Some big plans that hopefully will be soon if we can get the engine finished. To drive home, so this should be terrifying. I don't know, let's try to drive home. Don't you die on me, girl. Alright guys, we're gonna try to drive this thing home, put the camera down. I'm just gonna try to focus on driving. I'll film a little bit, but talk to you guys in a little bit. So far so good, guys. Cruising north, we will see. Guys, out of everything, we're stuck behind a school bus. So this, I hope she wants to idle today. Because we are cruising at 0 miles per hour and behind a school bus. Great, great. Guys, I swear, just had to push the thing off the road. We were chilling on the side of the highway. This battery is dead. I don't know. Alright. Yep. This little stuff is driving me insane. I've got a new battery on the way via mom. Thank you if you're watching this. Thank you, Ray. And I don't know. Hopefully we can figure this out because this is really frustrating. She was running fine before, had all sorts of power, and then just died and could not be brought back to life.
20 minutes later.
I hate you so much. You know that? I really do. I try so hard to make you a running, driving car, and you just are just being a jerk. Well guys, we made it home, barely, somehow. Barely. I literally had to keep it revved up the whole way home just so it wouldn't die. But it's here. So in the grand scheme of things, it could be a lot worse. You know, it could be way worse. We could have the engine out of this thing again. So hopefully we can able to fix these little things and push on. But I'm gonna push this thing in here. Honestly guys, I'm just kind of bummed out. So I'll talk to you guys on the next episode. Thank you guys a ton for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys learned something. And hopefully we can get this thing actually driving soon, because this first couple test drives have just been utter failures. Oh man. Anyway, thank you guys a ton. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you on the next one. See you guys. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Deuces.